mobility technique number 3. If you would like to work on one hip at a time, say you have one hip that's really stuck more than the other and you also want to work on different rotations. So you're going to take a nice firm yoga strap, put it around one leg. I like to take the D-ring to the outside of my hip, so as I pull it taut, it's actually taking my thigh bone out into external rotation a little bit. And then you simply get in all fours and you start some oscillations, getting that strap right up in the crease. I'm just pulling my knee forward for hip flexion. If I want to work on external rotation, I turn my knee out and pull my hip forward. Internal is a little tougher, but you can pull your knee in. This gives a nice distraction, pulling the thigh bone down and clearing the space in the socket so the hip can move more easily in all those directions.